Alright, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, check what John the Picker got up at Walmart Ski. We got the newest Pebbles to hit the street. Peanut butter and cocoa Pebbles. We've tried all the Pebbles. Fruity Pebbles, Cocoa Pebbles. We even mixed Fruity Pebbles with Cocoa Pebbles. Now we got peanut butter and Cocoa Pebbles. What? It's like bedrock around the Picker hood. The Flintstones are in the house. Unscramble some words. Me and Macy here are gonna do a taste test on these things and tell you what they taste like. Oh, I see the Cocoa Pebbles. I see the peanut butter kinds. It smells cocoa-y. Wonder if it's gonna turn the milk. Looks like they got a few regular ones in there. What? Oh, I can't get the milk open. Boom. Opens automatically. Some milk for you. Are they talking like Rice Krispies? They kind of got a little Rice Krispie action going, don't they? What do you think? Tastes different. It's got a peanut butter taste to it. It doesn't really taste like, I thought it was going to taste like Reese's Puffs, but it doesn't. It's different.
I like the taste.
Yeah? What's it taste like? Peanut butter? Let me see the back. It's definitely got a peanut butter taste to it, ladies and gentlemen. Peanut butter Cocoa Pebbles. Need more cocoa. It's different. Go get yours today. Peanut butter Cocoa Pebbles. What do you got to tell them? What about comment, rate, and subscribing?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications.
Woo! They're new. New Pebbles.
Jabba Jabba Doo!
You want to try them?
They did make this out of peanuts.
Peanut butter.
Yeah.
Peanut butter and cocoa
It
Pebbles.
said contains peanuts.
Does it taste peanut buttery? Kids tested. Dad approves. Right?
Yeah.
We got some good kinds. They likes it. Want to see the back? Pebbles and Bam Bam. There's Barney. Look, there's Dino. I remember when I was a little kid, they used to come with little stampers. Little things you take out and you stamp with Dino. Color changing spoons. And they took those out. Ruined it. What? I want my Dino stamper.
Yeah!
Kids were running around stamping everything. Dino on it. Psh.
Dino, Dino! Dino! go.